Right, we're going to show you some of New York. Been exploring quite a bit this last week. I want to show you how we get around the city. I'm here with Brian.
Hey.
This is my roommate.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, Brian.
Peace.
Cool. So, we're just heading into downtown Manhattan and we're going to ride the subway. So, we're going to get a sneak peek of how the subway works in New York. Okay, here we go. You can either go up, down or downtown. We're going downtown. It's really cheap riding the subway and getting around the city. You can go anywhere for $2, about $2 something. It's great, it's cheap, it's brilliant. Basically, going up, down and downtown, you have two lines. You have a local train and an express train. Local stops at every stop, express is fast, only stops at certain stops. We've just changed from the local train to the express train. Does that make any sense? I hope it does. Come down from 96th Street all the way to 42nd Street. This station is Grand Central. We're going to change here and get the train along 42nd Street to Times Square. So from our residence on 97th Street, we walked down one street to 96th Street, got on the train there, took a local train down to 86th Street. 86th Street we changed it to a express train, number 7, all the way down to 42nd Street, which is Grand Central Station. Grand Central Station, we got on another train, took a train a few stops down to Times Square on 42nd Street. And now here we are, Times Square.